Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wix detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin installing Wix, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.wix.com and press enter. Once the website loads, locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to create a new account. You will be prompted to sign up. You can use your email address or choose to sign up through a social media account. Fill in your details if you are using an email address. Make sure to create a strong password for your account. After entering your information, click the Sign Up button. Once signed in, you will be greeted with the Wix dashboard. Here, you will see options to create a new website. Click on the Create New Site button. Wix will ask you what kind of website you want to create. Select the type of website that best fits your needs. You will then have the option to choose between the Wix Editor or Wix ADI. If you prefer more control over customization, select the Wix Editor. If you want a more guided experience, choose Wix ADI. After selecting your option, follow the prompts to set up your site. If using the Wix Editor, you can start choosing a template. Browse through the available templates and select one that you like. Once a template is chosen, click on it to start editing. You will enter the editor, where you can customize text, images, and layout. Familiarize yourself with the various tools available on the left side of the screen. Add or modify elements such as text boxes, images, and buttons as desired. To edit an element, simply click on it to open the editing options. Use the preview feature to see how your site will look to visitors. Make sure to save your progress regularly. Once you are satisfied with your design, click the Publish button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.